I never heard this brand right here.
Man, it's cheap. Well, not cheap, but...
Cheap for...
It is?
I mean, it's expensive for...
It seems expensive, but what if you like to see the, it washing?
Well...
Pretty fancy to me. It's big, too. Well, sort of.
It is big, though. It's a, 4x5. 4x5 cubic.
Hey, that's a good camera.
This one right here, I like this one. I like the price.
And you there? You like the price?
Yes, $700 for a washing machine. You ain't gonna get it unless you get
like a washing machine costs. I thought this stuff cost like $1,000. I do not have a realistic mindset of how much things cost. I really don't. Like, I think people spend at least like $50 at the grocery store. I don't know. I don't know. I really don't.
Yeah, that one right there is something,
This is so ugly. It's ugly.
Why is it ugly? It's a pretty color.
Oh, you think so? Okay. These look tacky.
I
think it should be the common white.
We're down here for, that's why I said I always just order it online, figure out what I want, and then order it online to have them delivered. Because waiting on somebody to do it here. These are all front ones. Deep freezer. No, I might as well get ready to deliver it. There we go, right here.
I think that's all we had, Father.
Excuse me. Yeah, I'm right here. Let's see. Is this the high point? Yeah, 179.
Oh, it's glass. Or not glass, plastic.
It's like a little plastic so protected from folks' kids acting a month or something like that. This right here is the perfect size.
How does ice build up in there?
Because it is blue. This is a good size.
That's crazy.
This is the one.
Make sure you get a good look at it. Beautiful.
Then they got the 5 years for 130. 5-year warranty. It's like a protection from it.
Right, so if it gets messed up in any sort of way, they just give it back and you can get another one for free?
Pretty much.
Wow,
I have like a little grease cup thing. There like a little cover and stuff. Like a little line and thing.
This is hard.
Oh.
Oh, did that hurt? I'm sorry.
She tried to scratch me with this damn Brillo pad used for the grill.
It is hard.
That's because it's for grill. Okay, so we have made it back home after going to Lowe's and Home Depot trying to look for a new washer because the old one wanted to choose the one that act crazy. Well, it was acting crazy before the move, but it's like doing some extra stuff, and I've already got it repaired once before. So, Maytag, you are done for it, okay? So, gonna have an update on that washer situation. I'll still be using my washer because it still works, sort of, kind of. But until then, I'm still like in the pursuit to get my little washer situation situated. And I also want to get a small deep freezer. Just love that. I'm a country girl, love a good deep freezer, you know what I'm saying? Not nothing big or major, but just something small and compact where I can like kind of like bulk up on certain things that we use all the time. But anyway, long story short, first Costco run for the new place. Ooh, I'm showing y'all. First Costco run for the new place. So, yeah, let me jump right on into it. Got these organic spinach and cheese ravioli for the girl. She said, I want to try me some raviolis. So she thought these were good. So we picked those up at Costco. Y'all, this salsa right here is the bomb.com. I love it because it tastes like real limey. Like, it has a lot of lime in it. It tastes so good. So, you guys put that up. They had these chicken and apple sausages by Adele's, however you want to pronounce it. They all natural. They were for like $10. They were $9.99, and you can get like 3 packs of 5. So that's 15. Sausages for like $10. And they eat chicken and apple because I don't like to eat pork. So got that. Got some avocados because I ain't bought none since the move. We've been here for about going on 2 weeks now. I'm gonna do a whole little apartment thing and my thing. You catch me on Instagram. You probably already seen like the little sneak peek of the kitchen. I picked up some scrubbing bubbles from Costco because thank God the girl got her own bathroom again, got my own bathroom again. So we will be splitting this, and she will use one for her restroom, and I use the other one. So we got that. It's just the original scrubber bubbles plus the mega shower foamer. So yeah. So needed towels. I know my girl Cheryl over at Smiles Behind Lupus was trying to give me the lowdown about the JCPenney towels. Honey, we love us some good JCPenney towels, but JCPenney's let me down with them towels because, baby, you can't put nothing on them towels without them fading, getting blotches, spots, whatever. It's like you cannot put anything remotely connected to bleach or peroxide or anything like that on them towels. So I had to forego the JCPenney towels and opted for some of these Costco hospitality grade towels. They have, you got 6 bath towels, 30 by 54 inch, 100% cotton. They all white, nothing fancy. They just like what you get when you go to a hotel, you know, go on vacation and have them good little plush towels. You be like, ooh, honey, I think I want to give me one, baby. They got them in Costco. You get the 6 towels, bath towels for $23.99. I got 3 packs. I'm gonna, baby girl, I'm gonna get 1 pack. I'm gonna get 1 pack and we're gonna split the 3rd pack. They had these hand towels. You get 12 of those. We'll be splitting these 6 down the middle. And they also have the washcloths. 24 washcloths. So she get 12, I get 12. And I think these ran between 11 and 14. Or was it $11.99? I can't remember. If I remember to look at my receipt, I'll put the price of how much the hand towels and the face towels cost. But the bath towels were definitely $23.99 for 6 large bath towels. And you can't beat that. And they some really nice quality. And they green, honey. You protecting the environment, so yeah. Just real good towels. So yeah, I got 1, 2, and 3 plus the hand towels, and I got all white because I'm not doing colors when it comes to these towels. Got some wings. Want to get more, but I haven't got my deep freeze to get some. This is one of the items that I be like, okay, I could buy 2 or 3 bags of this and put in deep freeze. Because honey, who likes air fried wings? So I got those. We went to Winco too, and the girl picked up some garlic toast for those raviolis she want to make. They had this at Winco. I had got me some creamer. Got these Reynolds wrap pre-cut foil wraps. We put these inside the air fryer so it can catch like oil or whatever, grease or whatnot when you're cooking, and you know, just use to put in the toaster oven, stuff like that. Then got some peach punch from Winco. Honey, I picked up a Stouffer's, honey. Picked up a Stouffer's and some Pringles. Little girl had found these champion shorts they had for $10 to lounge around in. Bath tissue, had to stock up on that. Paper towels. Got some fruit punch. Berry punch. They said, girl, y'all punch down, honey. Got these little aloe drinks. I love these. I got mango, 2 mangoes, and I got strawberry. I could have sworn I got pineapple. Well, I didn't get pineapple. I thought I did. Yeah, bad habit. Dylan's gonna hate me for it, but anyway. She got some Alfredo for that pasta. 2 cases of Kirkland Martin. Y'all, they had these Tefal titanium non-stick fry pans. You get 3 of them for guess how much? $19.99. I was like, what the hell? And then, you know they're good because, like, the issue I'm having with the ones I bought almost a year and a half ago was the fact that they have like that little screw on the handle. And it's like every time you have to like re-screw the handle, I'm like, girl, this is some old ghetto hood stuff I ain't got time for. So I said, when I go to Marshall's or at home or whoever, I'm gonna find me some skillets to replace those. Girl, we went to Costco and I saw little mama had it in her bed. I was like, oh my God, that's what I'm looking for, some Tefal skillets to replace the ones I have. And it had 3 of them for $20. I was like, then it's like it has that, I don't know what you call that, I don't know which how you would it's like you don't have to worry about screwing it. They say riveted handles. It's been put out by a machine, baby. Ain't nobody had to screw this. No Bob the Builder here. It's like they had to like really, you know, embed that in there. But that was a great buy. But yeah, I just been trying to pick up some stuff here and there. I will totally go over that in another video. But other than that, this like the first little Costco haul that the little first little run that I made because I've been so busy and stuff been going on. So anyway, I'm gonna holler back at y'all. I almost forgot. So, they had the Lysol at the Costco finally. But you know what? Costco, y'all think y'all slick. They gonna have the Lysol way at the back of the store. Then it was turned like that. I'm like, so you couldn't really tell what the hell it was. You just gonna walk right past. I'm like, ain't that some Lysol right there? Girl, then they had the price turned behind it. It was, girl, they had everything all switched up. But anyway, they had this for what, $12.99? And I had just bought one for $8.99 at Walgreens. Girl, highway robbery. Anyway, got this. Hope it lasts me forever and ever and ever. Like, keep sweat, honey. Because I can't, Lysol, girl, it's like a unicorn. This Corona got, this Lysol, it's like a precious commodity. You can't, find it nowhere. Then I picked up some good old Suavitel. Hope the little girl can use it right. But anyway, that was it.
When you ring the doorbell, then you can hear it inside. Where is my AirPods at? Can I put
Why is it so close up? It's like banging right in your face, whatever. So I had to go and re-up on my makeup. And so I had went to Ulta and I went to MAC. This is probably like I threw some of the Ulta stuff into the MAC bag. We're gonna look at that right there. I got this at Ulta. I got this Smashbox Even Tone Primer because I normally do the studio photo fix or whatever, but I said let me do that one instead. When you buy some Clinique products, I had bought like the 3-step kit. You get this moisturizer for free, but they only had one, and I had bought 2 of them because I had got my baby girl some more Clinique, and so they only had one left. But anyway, then so they only had the travel size or the small sample size of the Laura Mercier. So I just got that, and they had the this is the medium deep, so got that. Oh my god, girl, you just slammed that down. Okay. Got the MAC press powder. They got new packaging. It may have been like this. I don't know. I haven't bought MAC in so long. So I normally use drugstore or NARS. So got this in C50. Coated what's this one? It's a concealer. NW55 is for contour. And got this one. Let me confirm it. NC45. That one's for like just spot correcting, touch something, you know, if I don't want to put makeup on. Just a little concealer. Got this from Ulta, the Dip Brow. They had it on sale. I got the color chocolate. Then I grabbed this one fluffy brush from MAC. The 127S. And then I got a Morphe M6. It's like a little flat brush. And yeah, I got that. Got one more thing. Then got this concealer, the NC44 for my under eye. So yeah, I had to go and re-up, you know what I'm saying? Re-up on my makeup and stuff. I'm still a work in progress, so yeah. But into here. Okay, so little mama, we was at Kohl's? Yeah, we was at Kohl's. And she saw this game on TikTok unsolved case files. It's like solving unsolved crimes or whatnot. And child, it comes with all the evidence, the coroner's report, the victim, girl, look at the suspect. Who in the hell? Okay, then
they only got one black man.
He kind of cute. Okay, they got a couple suspects here. It looks so legit. It's real cute though.
And then the photos are in here. I haven't opened them yet.
Girl, they got some real.
She was killed on at her wedding. You know how people like practice the wedding before the wedding?
The rehearsal.
Yeah, the rehearsal. She was killed on her rehearsal. See?
Oh, yeah.
That's the wedding invitation.
Mm-hmm.
And this is a little thing.
Evidence.
I think this is this is the police autopsy.
Girl, this was in 98.
The victim was killed by a single strike.
April 22nd of 98.
It says the victim was killed by a single strike to the head.
And 3 days before mine.
No.
But this is the cute little guy. I'm just surprised. It's only one investigation. I wonder if they gonna have like like other ones. I wonder if they have like more than one crime. Probably look online, Look online and see like on Amazon, see if they have like a different case. Cause I'm quite sure they didn't come up with one. That would be crazy. And I only paid 20 for it. It was
it's
sale.
25 at Target.
Oh really?
Mm-hmm.
So we only paid 20 for it.
I know, but I'm just saying most people got it from Target. So.
Well, anyway, let her get back to her Pink Panther crime investigation. What's up, y'all? It's your girl. I know. I am living life. I'm trying to get myself all the way together. I mean, I don't mean no harm, but yeah. Sometimes you have to put yourself first. You know, all the time you should put yourself first. If y'all new to my channel, I am trying to be more consistent. I'm just in the process of literally getting my life together. And it's going well. Where did I leave off? I don't even remember. It's a lot that has changed in the past couple months. I don't know, it's been about 3 months since I picked up a vlog, did a vlog, whatever, however you want to say it. If you are new to my channel, to give you a brief rundown of what's going on with me or who I am. I'm a mother of 2. I'm recently divorced. It's gonna be about 2 years. Within the next few months, I have a disorder that I am currently keeping up with through treatment, and I'm basically starting my life completely over from scratch. Like I said, I'm divorced, and when me and my children's father were separated and got divorced. I hope y'all can hear me. Basically left me with nothing. I had no place to live. The only thing I had was a vehicle and the clothes on my back. So when I say in no job, no I have disability as an income because I was unable to work due to my disorder. And I was advised and told by my husband that I was no longer going to work. So, yeah, but that has changed. Like I said, I had to start completely over. And I have come from humble beginnings, baby. When me and that person separated, I had to... First, we were at a hotel for a week, and then I transitioned and moved to Dallas. And that was a huge transition for me and my children. My oldest is grown. She's 22, and she lives with her boyfriend/fiance. So it was pretty much me and my then 13-year-old to kind of like fend for ourselves and figure everything out. It's been a rough transition, but we have done a lot within a year and a half or a year and 9 months, whatever. We have done a lot. So to update the people who have been following me through my journey with my disorder and then through my divorce and going through all that headache, which I am glad it's over with. But I, like I said, I had to live with my brother for about 5 months, and then after that, we got an apartment, but so I wouldn't have her subjected to living in the projects or living in subpar living. You know, no tea, no shade. You know, I had to opt for a 1-bedroom. So we were both, you know, thugging it out in a 1-bedroom, which the neighborhood, the area, it wasn't like completely hood, but you know, it was like one of those type of apartments one would get like when they first moving out or transitioning or what have you. Like I said, I hadn't worked in shit, I don't know, about 9 years. So I hadn't been in the workforce for a while, so I had to rehabilitate myself to get back into the swing of actually working. So during that time, you know, I had started working. I was actually working for a company through the airport, the Luffield Airport, and that was going pretty good. You know, I wasn't making a whole lot, but I mean, you know, it had perks and benefits and some things like that. And then COVID happened and was furloughed, which wasn't that bad because, like I said, I still have, you know, my income through my disability and, you know, through, you know, stuff like that. I was doing little odd jobs in order to, you know, keep things afloat. So yeah, so I mean, you know, we stayed there in that apartment and made the best of it, you know, until I was able to, I secured another job, which is going fine, making more money, and, you know, pretty much working whatever schedule I want to work, at the pace I want to work. So that's a plus. And kind of able to, you know, start saving, you know, and stuff like that. So I feel like I'm doing exceptionally well through the circumstances. And I mean, being a single parent is very taxing within itself, but yeah, you do what you gotta do, whatever, yeah. But like I said, I ain't gonna nobody can never say that, you know, they got over on me. Because I mean, you know, you got favor, baby. when you got true favor, even the shortcomings are merely just acts of strength. They were acts to strengthen me through my journey. So all the things that happened to me, they were happening for me to better myself. So I mean, you know, people might say, "Oh, girl, you know, you was in that relationship for over 20 years, and this, that, and the fourth that happened." You know, I'm like, honey, everything happens for a reason. And I'm quite sure the other party learned their lesson as well. And I mean, sometimes you learn lessons the hard way. But I mean, you know, I've always seemed to, I come out on top every time. So that's just the way it goes. I mean, anybody who knows me or who have been in contact with me knows. Don't try to do her dirty. Don't try to get over on her. Don't try to, you know, just don't try. Cause, baby, and my ancestors and my spirit guides, they always have me, baby. So you can try. You're gonna look stupid, but I mean, you know, you do what you do, you know. Cause it's like when you living your life in a manner where, you know, you're exuding love and kindness to people, you ain't gonna never fail. If you live in your life to try to do go the most positive route, you're gonna always end up on top. You might think that, oh, you know, I always get the bad end of the stick. I'm always the one doing this, that, and the other. But if you just look back and really review and analyze your life, you will see where things wasn't happening to you. It was happening for you. Big difference. So, I mean, fast forward, I'm like, baby, credit A1, got a job, got my own car, got my own place, bigger place, better place. I mean, all this during pandemics, goddamn divorces, illness, family issues, everything. Baby, when I say I'm covered, I'm covered. Period. I don't know how else to put it. So, I'm trying to actually figure out how to go about renovating, restarting, redoing my channel, because y'all know I be trying to be more consistent. It be like so much stuff I could actually record, but I be like in the moment. But I said I'm definitely want to wait. These supposed to be driving these sporty ass cars. I'm like, come on. But anyway, I definitely want to get back to vlogging. It's just, I had to take a step back because it was like, I know you can't control people and who viewing you and da-da-da, but it's like, I'm like, people will feel like they just had too much access to me. And it's like, I don't brag on nothing. You know, I don't have to, I mean, you know, I don't have to beat my stuff up. I don't have to display it, you know what I'm saying? I'm living my life and I'm living it on my own terms. I'm living it how I want to live it. I'm definitely not no follower. I'm not for the little trends and shit like that. I'm just real, and you know, I'm not finna jump through no hoops for nobody and all that kind of stuff. You know, but I mean, it's like I had to lay low for a minute because people is just, you know, just being too damn nosy for me. I'm like, really? But I mean, like I said, I am definitely going to start back vlogging. I mean, cause I got a lot of stuff coming up. I still get my treatments. I just get them, the one that I'm getting currently, I get them twice a year because they're stronger. They're like chemo, so, but they're not like the evasive type that make your hair fall out, all that kind of stuff. But I get those infusions twice a year, and I'm definitely about to get some dental work done, because like I said, I had to, my disorder is majority like it's in my face and it's in my lungs is where I have my issues, and it's involving my muscles, like my lungs and my facial muscles and stuff like that. So with my disorder, it caused some damage to the lower, my bottom teeth. So I'm having to have some corrective some corrective work done, because it's like my tongue pressed up against my bottom teeth, and it causes them to shift. So, and then I was taking steroids and stuff like that. So basically I'm about to get myself all the way together. And then I'm decorating my apartment and just basically doing me. Y'all know I be cooking and shopping and stuff like that. That hasn't stopped. It hasn't slowed down. You know, I still be doing little stuff here and there. It's just the fact of actually vlogging it, because I mean, with me working, I be tired, and when I go to the store, I be like, shoot, just put that stuff up on. She was like, yeah, I want to vlog it after she set up and discouraged me. Talking, Mama, nobody don't want to see their groceries. Yeah, about what did you just say? I got this bread, I got this almond. I said, little mama, you ain't either gotta do me like that. For real, for real. But anyway, I am about to take care of my business as usual. So y'all stay tuned. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Hit the notification bell. Thumbs up the video. And catch me back on my next video, because I'm going to show y'all where I moved to. So I will be hollering at y'all at a later date. Peace.